Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. Today I will guide you in a playful practice where you only have to meditate half the time, but you get to receive all the benefits as if you're practicing meditation the entire time. The intention of this practice is to invite ease into your meditation practice and connect with your body and breath and feel a sense of peace and ease. To begin, find a comfortable sitting position, sitting down or reclined. Allow your eyes to close, and if you're feeling tired or prefer it, you can play with keeping your eyes open with a soft gaze a few feet in front of you. Let's drop in. Feel your body on the ground. Sit tall and feel a micro adjustment to lengthen your spine and take a few deep breaths. Let go. Relax your shoulders, your facial muscles, and let your hands relax wherever is most comfortable. As you inhale, make a mental note. Choose one word. You can silently say breathing, or inhaling, or rising. And as you exhale, let go. There's nothing to do here, nothing to focus on. And then on the next inhale, silently say breathing or inhaling. Feel the cool, fresh, and nourishing air fill your lungs. Then exhale and relax. You only have to meditate half the time. Let your mind wander anywhere it wants to go on your exhale. It can plan the rest of your day, fantasize what you're going to eat later, remember. Whatever it is, let it be there. And on the next inhalation, a silent affirmation. Breathing. Breathe. Feel the rising of the belly, the expansion of the chest, and then let go. Let yourself be free. Again and again. A sound or sensation may spring us back into the body and into the present moment. Welcome any distractions and greet them with gratitude. It's an invitation to drop in. Feel your body on the ground, a tall spine, and any micro adjustments. The entire body is being breathed. You can expand your field of awareness by changing the affirmation said on each inhalation. Now, as you breathe in, silently ask yourself, what's here now? And as you exhale, let go. Again, there's nothing to do here. On your inhale, there's a light touch of focus, knowing the body is breathing. It's almost going on in the background. And the question, what's here now? And then exhale and relax. Let the mind unwind and do whatever it wants. And then come back on the inhale. Again and again. You only have to focus half the time. For the last moments of this meditation, notice the effects of the meditation. Have the thoughts in the mind slow down? Is there a felt sense of peace and calm? It's possible the thoughts are still racing or you're feeling tightness. That's okay too. Know you did everything right and you're on the path. And may the benefits of this practice bring ease, peace, joy, loving kindness, good health, passion and compassion, courage, and freedom from suffering to you and to all beings near and far, above and below, to all sides. And when you're ready, gently and slowly deepen your inhalations and exhalations. Feel the ground beneath you and sense the room where you're sitting. Gently blink open your eyes. Bring your palms together and thumbs touching your brow center. Bless your thoughts. Bring your thumbs to your lips. Bless your words. And bring your thumbs to your heart. Bless your intentions. Thank you for practicing today, and please comment below on what you noticed in your meditation. Have a blessed day, and feel free to share this with a friend.